In front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS launcher on this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS launcher and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, click on while using the app and allow. Then close launcher app and go into devices settings. In them, select apps section, tap on default apps and select home app. Lastly, tap on iOS launcher and click on OK, then got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!